2019 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.